Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing this chin chin recipe. I'll be showing you how I made this milky and crunchy chin chin recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. In a dry bowl, we go in with our flour. We're going to sift it. Please always sift your flour while working. I'm using 4 cups of flour. That is 500 grams of flour. You see why it's important that you sift your flour? To add my milk powder, then add my sugar. And this is my baking powder. I'm using Golden Crown baking powder. So I add my salt, vanilla flavor. I add my nutmeg. So mix them together. I love using nutmeg while making my chin chin. The flavor is something you don't want to miss. But if you don't have nutmeg, you can still use cinnamon. The next thing to do is to add my butter. I'm using half cup of butter. To be using my hand to combine them together. I'm going to mix them together, mix them very well until it looks like sandy. So chin chin is one thing that you cannot come to my house and you will not find, because aside from the fact that I give to my children, I also use it for entertaining my guests. So it looks. So that is it. We're going to make a hole inside. So I'm going to be using one. Then I'll add my 1 cup of milk. Mix them together. Okay, then we'll bring it back. I'll pour everything. Start mixing. At this point, you have to be careful with your mixing. All you need to do is just to bring them together. This is how it look like. It has all come together. So we're going to allow it to rest for like 5 minutes before we start cutting. Alright, it is time to start cutting the chim chim. So this is how the chin chin look like. So first of all, I'll be using this flour. You sprinkle some flour in your working surface, and I'll transfer my dough. I'm going to divide it. I'm going to divide it into 3. So I'll be working with this one. I'm going to repeat the process until we finish everything. Sprinkle some more flour. It's very simple. As a beginner, you can do it. I'm going to be dropping the recipe on my description box. Just give it any shape of your choice. If you want it to be long, you can still cut it to be long. So here is it. It's time to fry. First of all, you heat up your oil. In a medium heat, you fry it batch by batch. Alright, the oil is already hot. The chin is ready. It's already looking golden brown. This is the color I love. Bring it out. So my lovely people, this is the outcome of the chin chin. This chin chin tastes so good, so crunchy and so milky. Feel free to try the recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment on the comment section. Tell me if you are going to try this recipe. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.